Hello, this is Robert from DSP Plug. So you're looking at an item. Maybe it's on Amazon, maybe it's on Temu. You see such dimensions listed, 42.9. Maybe you don't want the towel rack, maybe you don't want the spice rack. How do you know? You look at a picture from the front view. Now, if you're on a Windows operating system, you press Shift, Control, S. Once you've done that, it'll gray out the screen. Now select the area of the item. Let go. On the bottom right, it's going to say snipping tool. It's copy to clipboard. Now open your paint application that comes with Windows. Now press Control V. It should be available there. I'm going to press crop. I'm not suggesting you have to. I press crop. Now I press selection. On the top left, selection. I press that. Now I select the smallest part that I'm wanting to measure. So I grab this. I grab it to about here. And then I've selected the counter, haven't I? Now, it says 721. Where does it say that? On the bottom left, 721. Where 721 divided by, minimize this again. Now I press the selection once more. And I grab the selection marquee rectangle so it fits the whole item. And what does that measurement say? That measurement says 921. So I'm dividing 721 into 921. 921 equals 0.78, etc., etc. So I'm going to select all that with my mouse, right click, press copy. Now I'm going to press clear. I'm going to clear that. So I go back to Temu in this case. Now I go to the picture that has the dimension 42.9. 42.9. So I go back to my calculator. 42.9 times. Now I press Control V to paste. 42.9 times 0.782844733, so on, equals 33. Now I realize that the actual space of that countertop, that rubberwood countertop on this kitchen island, is 33 inches. This is Robert from DSP Plug showing you how to use a little applied mathematics so as to be able to gauge how wide a product really is, even if it doesn't mention the measurements. Bye-bye.